welcome back to our channel. I have another special guest here today. My girlfriend, we used to call each other, well we still do. We call each other wife. So this is my wife. And we are showing our wifey material and we are cooking. So we actually got a package from HelloFresh. Surprisingly got it for free because someone ordered it in the building and they messed up. So we got 3 free meals from it. And now we're gonna cook some balsamic fig chicken, which looks really good. Yeah. And we were actually talking today about how we could be roommates and, well not really, but like talking about roommates and like moving out and stuff. So this is test 1.
Walk into our kitchen.
We're gonna just try and cook this meal without yelling at each other.
Can we see the, ooh, perfect! This is like Rachel Ray.
All right, so right now we're making this. Let's make a thumbnail just in case this actually goes somewhere.
So far, what have we done?
We've cut up the potatoes.
Okay.
We've finally chopped some. You need to put it in here.
We're making the broccoli now.
Some substance.
I know, right? Okay, so chopped up the rosemary. Dana's over here zesting
the lemon.
I already feel like a top chef because never in my life have I zested anything.
We have the potatoes here, if you can see that at all.
It's kind of quiet. It's just like, what if this is like Hell's Kitchen? We just have to yell at each other.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
I'm trying.
Okay, that is fine. It doesn't need to be much smaller than that.
Well, it has to match its brothers.
Jesus Christ. Okay. I cut them into 4. So now what? Cut broccoli. Okay.
Florets into 1-inch pieces. Okay.
There's not enough space for the 2 of us right now.
The war starts.
It's been 5 minutes. I'm just staying in my one corner of the cutting board. I've been good.
That's true.
I think this is enough now. Because I don't know if that's a full tablespoon. That's just like a spoon.
That's fine. All right, so now we have broccoli, which is a whole other section. This is a mess. It's like really not.
Isn't that a lot? Do you want to make all of that?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have nothing else to do with it.
You can save it.
No. Okay, so what does it say?
Wait, okay. Cut broccoli florets into 1-inch pieces if necessary. What does it mean if necessary?
Oh, no, it says if necessary, toss on another thing, which it is necessary because both broccoli and the potatoes are not going to fit on that one thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to put another thing on this. Tell them a little bit about yourself. Tell them who you are.
Okay, hi guys.
How we know each other.
So, my name is Gabby. Dana and I met in high school. On like the first day of school, I think we were getting our rooms assigned or something.
Shit! Shit, sorry.
And she just stole my heart.
I couldn't cut this off and I ruined it. We didn't like each other at first, fun fact.
Well, she didn't like me. I didn't know her. But you knew me. She like stalked me on Instagram. Surprise, surprise.
There was a reason behind this, but we won't get into that.
And yeah, so she knew who I was, and I was just looking for a friend because I was new to the school. And
why am I always, I just realized that I'm not wearing anything. I just realized that I'm just not dressed appropriately.
You're appropriate for your house.
This is my cooking outfit, some biker shorts and
You need like an apron.
Sports bra. I do. Okay, just toss them in.
That's too big. Well, watch yourself.
Watch yourself.
Watch yourself.
This is my kitchen.
I think that's pretty good, right? These are good.
You can just break them off.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
It's fine.
Okay, yeah, well, we should have done this in the first place and broke it off in here.
Yeah. I didn't even fit. Okay, all right. Next up, toss on, okay, a drizzle of oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, same thing.
Wow, haven't done that before.
You got the oil? Okay. Yeah, make it look juicy. Hold on. Get the Ooh.
Ooh, broccoli. Yes. Yum.
Get some of this.
Whoa.
Get some. Oh, shit. How do you work this thing?
You just take the top off.
See, you got fancy salt. Like.
Oh, do you know how to? No, girl, no. No, get out of the kitchen.
Okay.
You go. Twist. Twist. Okay. And then you just put that on top.
Do you think that's enough?
Of what?
Pepper?
I don't F with pepper like that, you know? Like, pepper is not my friend.
Okay, sorry.
Pepper is not my,
Oh.
Pepper might be my friend, but just not my best friend, you know?
Yeah.
No.
It's fine. Everything's okay.
Okay, same time.
I'm scared. You look at me.
You guys are not gonna see, I'm not moving the camera because I'm too lazy, so
Oh my
we're
God.
gonna put it in the oven now.
Okay. All right, and
Someone's
then
a little scared of the oven.
I'm very scared.
I'm very scared of the oven.
Alexa, set an alarm for 25 minutes to take out the potatoes. We're on TV.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut this and cut it dry.
Yeah, rinse it underwater for a while though.
No,
So you can clean
no one
it.
does that. No one does that. There's some. Tell me in the comments if you wash your chicken before you cook it. What's the purpose of that? What's the purpose?
Okay, look.
No.
It's because it comes in like a solution.
You're a solution.
Oh my god, guys.
Yeah, you know that when it cooks, it kills all of that, right?
Yeah, but we just washed the potatoes. So why wouldn't you wash the chicken?
Because chicken is chicken.
Exactly. Just wash it. Slimy. Just rinse it.
No, it actually
Here,
takes.
rinse
no,
one.
it takes away flavor.
Just rinse one of them.
No.
And then don't rinse the other.
No,
Oh
we don't.
my
I'm not
God.
rinsing it. That is the weirdest thing. I'm sure people do it, but I just don't want to do it, and it's just weird to do it.
Okay. Is this it? Is this pepper? What is that? What is this?
Pepper's right there.
What's this? What is this?
So I don't know, something for wine, I think.
Ooh, fancy. Okay. You're welcome.
This YouTube video is out back.
Watch us cook and then watch us eat it. Join us in dinner.
Leave it there. So, hey guys, it's us
So
cooking.
for 3 minutes, let's just jam out. That's enough time for one song.
Okay, Alexa, play music. This is gonna be copyrighted, so we're gonna have to change this music. So just enjoy us dancing, okay?
Oh, the potatoes.
Potatoes timer is done.
Yeah!
Okay, so now what?
You gotta just flip them around. Here, use that. Oh, it's so hot.
We hate the heat. We can't be in the kitchen.
In my face.
It's a fat piece of chicken. Oh, hold on.
I feel like SpongeBob.
Yeah, like this.
This is what SpongeBob does all day long.
Okay, wait, what does it say about this?
I mean, look at the picture. It just looks like it's like minced.
This is where all this stuff comes in.
Oh wait, is that shallot then? No. Wait, why does it say chicken? Was he there the whole time?
He just
Yeah.
wants free clout. Dad, do you know what clout is?
I'm glad you asked, Dana. No.
Do anything for clout.
You're gonna be famous, Dad.
Yeah, that's the one.
Where's the rosemary?
your-
Oh, here. Okay, put that in.
Where's the rosemary?
Be careful, be careful. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be the best part of the whole meal.
Then it says,
Ow!
ow! I'm sorry, just put that.
Ow!
That's it, just stop. Okay, how much jam?
Ow!
How much jam?
Quick. Is it meant to be on that heat? This is what we have so far. That actually looks pretty good. Wait, how long do we have to do this for?
I don't know.
Whoa.
So many ingredients that I would have never put together. Ooh, chef.
Chefing it up.
Right? Once the broccoli's done, remove it from the oven and toss it with lemon zest. Oh, gotta put the lemon zest on it.
So we just finished the meal. It actually looks pretty freaking good. I mean, obviously we're not gonna be to the freaking point, but
So,
that is what it looks like on the thing. And
ta-da! It looks so good.
I'm actually very excited to eat this. So we're not gonna waste any more time. So we'll let you know how it tastes.
Let's see what this tastes like.
Okay, we already filmed this part, we're not gonna lie.
I need a second bite to make an
I
opinion.
feel like the chicken's like tough.
I feel like I like this sauce. The jam is like, I think what I like about it.
Wait, the sauce is actually really good.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying a potato.
Okay. I need potato with like ketchup or something.
Mm.
We burnt the potatoes just a little bit. Sorry.
I like food when it's kind of burnt. I'd rather it be overcooked than undercooked. I love broccoli.
Broccoli's really good.
Really, really good. Okay, if this was at a restaurant, I would be like pleased.
The chicken's a little bit like weird though.
Yeah, well.
Mama approves. You heard that?
Uh-huh. I like it's not soggy at all.
No, it's good. That's gonna be it for today's video.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Join the family.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see you in our next video. We're gonna enjoy our meal.
Thanks. Nice meeting you guys.
You're so cute. Bye.